Hi, this is an extractor fan which with a timer as well as humidity control. I thought to post this video because I was searching for this video in YouTube and failed to find out how to adjust the timer and humidity settings. I just want to show you this fan actually. You can see two bolt which you can just open it from here. These screws can be opened from here. Once it is open, the fan look like this. It is pretty simple actually to adjust the humidity setting or the timer setting. If you just go here, you can see on the left hand side, this is for the timer setting. You can see the timer from 1 minute to 45 minutes. So if you set to 5 minutes, it will automatically turn off in 5 minutes. At the same time, this is for the humidity control. Here the humidity will be off and it is on. You can set the humidity according to the percentage. How much humidity you want actually, 98%, 90%, 80%. So you can set according to that. In an ideal world actually, we set the humidity to 75% and the timer to 10 minutes. That is an ideal situation. So it is very easy to use any fan with the humidity control and timer control. You can set the timer and humidity by yourself in a few minutes time. It is as simple as it's shown in the video. I thought it is helpful for you. That is why I am sharing. Thank you so much for watching.